Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some frozen sausage. So let's get toasting. I have a package of frozen mild Italian sausage here. It's getting kind of icy looking here, so I figured I'd better use this up. My daughter bought this at Costco. She gave me a couple packages of it. The last package I cooked it frozen on my gas grill and it turned out pretty good. So I figured this one I will try cooking in my toaster oven. So those two are kind of stuck together. Actually, these are all stuck together. You know what? I'm just going to put them in there just like that to get them started, and then, you know, once they thaw a little bit and I can separate them, I'll just do that. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and this 10-inch cast iron skillet fits perfectly in my toaster oven, so we'll just get those going. It's been 25 minutes and I just pulled those out of the oven. Let me check on them here, see what the internal temperature is of that one there. I was going to say you probably wanted about 165 degrees, so it looks like it's done, but let's see how they look on the other side here. I think I might flip them and just put them back in for a few more minutes just to let them cook on the other side. Sausage, you're not really going to dry out anyway, so that will just let it get a little bit crispier. So let me get that back in for a few more minutes. Alright, I just get them in there for a few more minutes now that they're turned over and see if they brown up a little bit better. It's been 10 minutes since I turned those over, so 35 minutes total. Let's take a look here. I think those are good. I'm going to get them out of there. They look pretty good to me. I'm going to grab this crispy one on the end here, put it on some white bread with mustard. Alright, let's try this baby out. Came out good. Annie showed up. I guess she probably wants a sample. Want to try some sausage, Annie? Annie approved. That worked out pretty good. And if your sausage is thawed, it should cook a little faster. And any type of sausage should work for that. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.